again. So I'm here doing Sugar Scrub Sundaes. I'm going to be demonstrating how we do one here at Gifts from the Heart of Elk Grove. So we have 2 different sizes, and today I'll be doing the 1 scoop. We also have 3 scoop sundaes. And so we have all different sizes, and they're really adorable. And so I'm going to make a 1 scoop. And I don't know what you guys' favorite flavor is, so I'm just going to guess. So this is our 1 scoop size, and then we can put a sticker on it and a little spoon. These are not for eating. Eat them. These are for pampering yourself. Ask an adult today what a Sugar Scrub Sundae is. Okay, so these are 3 flavors, and I have to go kind of fast. So we have raspberry, I think. Cotton candy, chocolate, and we have our beautiful toppings. We have like the jimmies, and if you do this, you get to pick 1 fragrance. You can have the jimmies and some glitter. Okay, so I'm going to take a scoop of this beautiful pink one, raspberry. Okay, then follow me up here, and I'm going to make a beautiful scoop. There we go. It's somewhat beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to add my sprinkles. So I am going to do some beautiful lime or mint flavored. Never done these before. Okay, so I'm going just a few more sprinkles, just a few. We don't need that many. This is one more. Okay, here we go. They came out a lot nicer than the previous one. Okay, and now just all we need is a little more glitter, and then we'll have a beautiful Sugar Scrub Sundae. That's good. Isn't that beautiful? Come to Gifts from the Heart of Elk Grove to get your Sugar Scrub Sundae today.